What is going on, you guys? Lakestar 1999 on YouTube. That one's gonna be done. And not quite that one, but I got my money delivery. And I didn't decide to get the extra driver, didn't feel like it. Mostly because right now, it'd be nice, but if I wanna do that, I would rather get a permanent one than one for just an hour. So okay. Oh, I get a train out of the deal. Okay. I see. So I'm gonna do some of this off camera, and then I'll get you back on when I get stuff done. I finally took care of that. That one was easy. I wish this thing wasn't lag so bad. It looks like this one's gonna be done as well. Yeah, I got the free locomotive. It was a King George locomotive. It's dark green or British green, racing green, out of all the colors they choose, but I just don't remember Baltimore and Ohio owning that locomotive in general. It might have been some one-off deal, or I don't know, or a gift. But so there we go. Whoa! If only building a railroad was that easy. Oh, well, fine. I will say it's gone a lot faster since I have more similar trains. I know what this map's gonna look like. I just did it again secretly on another profile. So I do kind of wish also this will go faster for me so I can get to the New York Central stuff. But that's where, to me, right now, the fun stuff is. But I'll say that level did take a while. I'm not even finished with it. Uh-oh, we're going to run out of steel. And you know what that means. We can't be running out of materials. And it's not like, I mean, I could click off, but I could possibly lose my footage, so that's kind of the other issue I've been having. I'm going to just buy a new phone and be done with it. Because it's the phone is the issue, I think. But, kind of hope you enjoyed this episode, but like, comment, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you all in the next one.